different items, and all these items you're going to see tonight are shot right off our shelves. So let's get started with number one. It's a noisemaker. It's a 200-gram noisemaker. That was Noisemaker by Pyro Diablo. Spoon number two, it's Pop My Cherry. It's a Go Shadow brand. Pop My Cherry. Now for another 200 gram, it's Pyro Printer. It's called Lights Out. That was Lights Out. Now moving on to number four, it's Brew Crew. It's an Uncle Sam's item. Brew Crew. That was Brew Crew. Next item is a 350-gram Pyro Predator. It's the electric chicken gel. Now for number six, Squeal Like a Pig. It's a Kong item. That was 500 grams, Squeal Like a Pig. Now number seven, it's an artillery shell, double knot buck. Pyro Printer item. Now for number eight, you got to see it in the last Panda Window demo. It was the one that got crossfired. So we're going to move to number nine. Number nine is Candy Crush. It's a Pyro Predator, 500 gram Candy Crush. Number nine, we skipped number eight. That was Candy Crush. Number 10, it's Dead Shot, a Pyro Diablo item, 500 gram. 10, Dead Shot. Moving to number 11, it's Hot Box by Ghost Shadow. That was Hot Box. It's almost too high to see. Now let's go to number 12. It's Raider Killer. It's by Ghost Shadow.
Sorry, we didn't mean to hit you.
That's all good. Yeah, I didn't realize how much product there is.
How is this quick on them?
Fucking dang. I thought
They're
we
not
were
even-
almost done. Not even halfway.
That
I
was
think
Raider
this is like
Killer.
8 out of 14.
Now for number 13, it's Feel the Noise. Night Shot Rack. That was Feel the Noise. Now for the last item, it's by Power Diablo. It's Spread Your Wings. 500 gram, 4-1. That was Spread Your Wings. That was the last item. Come out and see us tomorrow at the trade show, and you can see a lot of our items on display. The dummy samples, and also come and play some ping pong and participate in our balloon prize game. Thank you.